Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to download files from Dropbox. So let's get started. Visit the Dropbox website and log in into your Dropbox account. Once logged in, navigate to the file you want to download. Select the file and click on these three dots. Now from the drop-down menu, click on Download button to start downloading the selected files to your computer. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.